Julie, and I'm about to share something with you very unexpected. Come with me. It's great to have you here, but I have to ask, why have you brought all these treats?
Ever heard of tannins?
Tell me more.
They're natural acids present in botanicals. They can be found in leaves, bark, seeds, and fruits. But here's what's fascinating. Plants produce tannins to remain robust and healthy.
I love it. And in food and in drink?
Well, tannins can be found in our daily lives. They're present in fruits and nuts, tea, but also wine and chocolate, and they contribute to their taste and flavor.
So everything here, like these berries, the chocolate and nuts, these all have tannins. What does this have to do with hair color?
Well, why don't you introduce our newest color line? I'm sure many haven't tried color like this.
Okay, I'm super excited to do this. So let me introduce Supernatural Color, a hair color with tannins. It's a vegan formula with natural origin ingredients. It colors, it strengthens and repairs hair.